Why are you arresting him? Why are you arresting him? Why are you arresting him? You have to tell me why you're arresting him. You have to tell him why you're arresting him. Why are you arresting him? Why are you arresting him? You have to tell him why he's getting arrested. Why is he getting arrested? What fucking criminals?
Got it on video.
You know that's not just. You know that's cowardice. All you got. You know that's not.
You are returning on legal monitor. I need you here. Otherwise, I need you to move. Let's go. Back on the other side of the wall. Back on the other side of the wall.
What's the charge? What's the charge, you bozo? With the glasses. What's up, glasses? What's the charge?
Let's go. Keep walking.
What's the charge? What's the charge?
Don't touch me.
Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on each and every one of you! Shame on 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 Nassau County!
Let's go!
Shame on you guys!